Construct parsing for unaligned int field. I am using this nice little package construct for binary data parsing. However, I ran into a case where the format is defined as. Basically, the higher 8 bits are used for status, and 3 bytes left for integer, and int type with higher bits masked off. I am a bit lost on what is the proper way of defining the format. The brute force way is to define it as uint32 and do bit masking myself. Is there any way I can use bitstruct to save the trouble? Edit. Assuming little endian and based on Chderis's example and swapped equals true suggestion, I think this is what will work in my case. Thanks, Oliver.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.